take-up commentary, Ian Chubb.
Good to see Imran Khan back opening the bowling for Pakistan. Just wide of the man in the gully. Ravi Shastri off the mark and coming back. Or edge and taken at first slip by Javed. Some bounce there for Imran Khan and the early success that Pakistan needed.
With only 183 on the board, that's the type of start that Pakistan needed. An early wicket. Imran extracting a little bit of bounce out of this wicket, plus a ball that just moved away off the seam, but taking the comfortable catch at first slip. Great breakthrough for Pakistan. Imran, a pace man, bit of bounce, bit of movement, and a straight forward by Javed, who was fielding pretty wide at first slip. So what a great breakthrough by Pakistan. India 1 for 2.
And once again, beating Srikanth outside the stump. He's done that, well, that must be 4 or 5 times now. Just wide of the keep, and he'll pick up 4.
There's the edge, beats the wicketkeeper. He's been probing outside the line of the off stump. He finally gets a nick.
Little Del Pat there, diving to his right. That ball very old.
This time he could be gone. Javed, he doesn't miss many. Good. In fact, it's not. It's Mosen first slip. His first and second slips have taken catches. That was a valuable one, a good piece of bowling.
And now Imran Khan showing his true class here as he produces 2 deliveries in succession, cutting away off the seam from the bat, lifting there as Srikanth. That bounce too difficult to cope with, a thick edge, almost an open face of the bat, and it goes straight into the hands of Mohsin. Let's slip. The second blow struck by Imran Khan, 2 for 27 India, and Srikanth out for 12.
With the best of the Indian batsmen at a crucial stage of this match. It's the edge, he's gone! Yes, a beautiful catch, diving forward, beautifully judged by Madam. What a fine piece of bowling from Imran, and the fieldsmen have backed him up.
What an intelligent piece of cricket too on the part of the Pakistanis, because here we see Imran bowling to an attacking field. It looks like a field set in a test match too. And Pakistan, obviously realising that 183 is too difficult a total to defend, have gone on the offensive, and how well Imran has done it too. Picking up 2 wickets in successive deliveries, balls lifting, and that second one really taking himself by surprise, and he hit it with a full face of the bat, right on the splice. Parts the scene, having faced just 1 ball. Golden duck, 3 for 27.
3 for 30, the great Imran Khan on a hat-trick. At 3 for 30, it's a young man, as within, on strike to Imran Khan. It was a good delivery, but he played it pretty well, cool, collected a good round of applause for Imran.
That's what we were waiting for. See what would happen when he got a half volley. Gavaskar and then Pakistan.